Here at Lloyd Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender D250 X-Dynamic HSE 90, finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint, with 20-inch Satin dark grey alloy wheels. Some of the standout features on this car include black exterior pack, premium LED headlights, front fog lights, fixed side steps, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and from the rear of the vehicle we can see the front and rear mud flaps. As we enter now behind the rear door, we can see the load space with the 40-20-40 rear folding seats. And entering into the rear of the cabin now, we have the panoramic roof and the Ebony Windsor leather seats. Entering into the front of the cabin now, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and turning in we can view the heated and cooled electric front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we have the adaptive cruise control and the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On this touch display we can see the heated and cooled seat controls, and we have the 3D surround camera display. And on the center console we can see the climate controls and the gear selector. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.